E. E for easels. E A S E L S. Easels. Easels are stands to hold boards or charts. Envelopes. E N V E L O P E S. Envelopes. Envelopes are paper covers to send letters. Eraser. E R A S E R S. Erasers. Erasers are rubbers to remove pencil marks. Executive notebooks. E X E C U T I V E. Executive. N O T E B O O K S. Notebooks. Executive notebooks. Executive notebooks are fancy notebooks for important notes. Paper pocket for sending letters. This is envelope. Oh, but this is the spelling question. So, friends, do you know the spelling of envelope? I know that you are knowing this, but friends, think for 5 seconds and tell me the correct answers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer is E N V E L O P E. Envelope. Detective question. I am a tool that rubs away pencil oopsies. And your 5 seconds starts now. Answer the question. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the answer is eraser.